A very good morning to one and all. Welcome to your TSN English class. This is the second video of your chapter 4, the red trap from your book Flamingo class 12th. So let's read the chapter from here, from this paragraph here. So before starting with this paragraph, I would like to tell you about the previous paragraph. That the peddler was plodding along the road and was left to his meditation, and he was naturally thinking about the rat traps. Then he got the idea of the whole world. So was like a rat trap. So suddenly that man जब वो रोड पे घूमता है तो उसे आइडिया आता है the whole world is like a rat trap, and that offered riches and joys and shelter and food like heating, clothing and all these things as a baits to a rat trap or man. So he was amused by the idea because he had to lead a monotonous life, but this idea entertained him actually. So after roaming here and there, he found a man. He found a cottage over there, and he asked that man, or knocked over there on the door, and he asked for the permission to just stay over there for the only that one night. But there is a man in that cottage who finally felt very happy because he's having a good source of company at that time, and he welcomed him in a very well way. So the old man was just generous with his confidences as with his porridge and tobacco. The guest was informed at once that in his days of prosperity he host had been a crofter at Ramso Ironwork and had worked on the land. Now that he was no longer able to do day labor, it was his cow which supported him. Yes, that Bosie was extraordinary. She could give him milk for the creamery every day, and last month he had received all of 30 nor of payment. So here the old man did not only share his porridge and tobacco with that man, but also was quite generous with that peddler. And he soon, you can say that, informed his guests that when he was prosperous, he was like a crofter at Ramsjo Ironwork and was a regular worker on the land. And now that his body was not strong enough to do that kind of a labor work, so he for his livelihood he was totally dependent on his cow, and it seemed that the cow was extraordinary and she could give him milk for the creamery daily, and he was paid all the 30 nor for payment of the previous month here. And the stranger must have seemed incredulous, for the old man got up, went to the window, and took down a leather pouch which hung on a nail in the very window frame, and picked out three wrinkled 10 bills. These he held up before the eyes of his guest, nodding knowingly. Move on to next page. Then stuffed them back into the pouch. So what was going on? It seemed that the old man thought that the stranger was suspecting him, so he reached the window and took डाउन wrinkle 10 bills. सो बिकॉज उसको लगता है कि स्ट्रेंजर उसको सस्पेक्ट करता है, तो वो उसको पूरा चीज़ बताता है दैट लुक दिस इज द थिंग. सो ही टुक डाउन अ लेदर पाउच वॉज हैंगिंग ऑन द नेल इन द ओनली विंडो फ्रेम ऑफ द कॉटेज एंड showed him these wrinkled 10 bills, and he held the amount before his guest, and nodded knowingly in front of him, and then kept the notes back into the pouch and hang it into the previous प्लेस बिकॉज वो उसका सस्पेक्ट जो है वो उस समय पे दूर करना चाहता था. द फॉलोइंग डे द क्रॉफ्टर एंड द स्ट्रेंजर लेफ्ट देयर बेड्स अर्ली. सो नेक्स्ट मूव ऑन टू हियर. द नेक्स्ट डे बोथ men got up in a good season. The crofter was in hurry to milk his cow, and the other man probably thought he should not stay in bed when the head of the house had gotten up. They left the cottage at the same time. The crofter locked the door and put the key in his pocket. The man with his red trap said goodbye and thank you. Thereupon each went his own way. So what was going on there? On the next day, So the following day, the crofter, that man and the stranger left their beds early because at that time the stranger felt bad that घर का मालिक जो है वो इतनी जल्दी उठ गया तो वो अभी सोकर क्या करेगा. The old man had to milk his cow because already he has explained that, oh, I have a cow and I need to do these things with that. And the guest found it odd to remain in his bed when the so at that time that my peddler feel very odd that घर का जो ओनर ऑफ द हाउस है वो तो वर्क कर रहा है एंड ही वॉज इन द बेड एट दैट टाइम. सो इट इज़ नॉट लुक गुड टू रिमेन इन हिज बेड एंड ओनर हिमसेल्फ हैड लेफ्ट हिज बेड. So both the men left the cottage together, and locking the door, the crofter kept the key into his pocket, and the man showed his gratitude and bade him goodbye after that. So, but an hour later, the rat trap peddler stood again before the door. He did not try to get in. However, he only went up to window, smashed a pain struck in his hand, and got hold of pouch with his 30 knorr. He took the money and thrust it into his own pocket. Then he hung the leather pouch very carefully back in its place and went away. So, but within 30 minutes, he was again standing in front of that कॉटेज हु दैट मैन पेडलर जो कह रहा था कि कभी वो आयरन के रेड ट्रैप्स बेचता है, कभी वो इधर उधर जाकर भीख मांग लेता है, कभी वो मोनोटोनसली रोड पर चलने लगता है, ट्रजिंग ऑन द रोड. सो आफ्टर 30 minutes when they bade goodbye to each other, after that he returned back there after 30 minutes and वो कॉटेज के बाहर आके खड़ा होता है. ही मेड नो एफर्ट टू एंटर द कॉटेज, इंस्टेड ही रीच द विंडो. वो कॉटेज के पास आता है, विंडो के पास, एंड स्मैश्ड अ पेन and balanced his position with his hand and caught the pouch contained that money. और पाउच में से वो मनी निकाल लेता है. एंड टेकिंग मनी ही फोर्स्ड इनटू हिज ओन पॉकेट. मनी लेने के बाद वो मनी को अपने पॉकेट में रख देता है. देन द लेदर बैग वॉज पुट अगेन बैक टू इट्स प्लेस एंड देन मैन लेफ्ट द प्लेस. और उसके बाद वो वहाँ से चला जाता है. एज ही वॉकड अलॉन्ग मनी इन हिज पॉकेट he was quite pleased with his smartness. He realized, of course, that at first he dared not to continue on the public highway, but must turn off the road into the woods. During the first hours, this caused him no difficulty. Later in the day, it became worse, for it was a big and confusing forest which he had gotten into. He tried to be sure to walk in a definite direction, but the paths twisted back and forth so strangely. So he walked and walked without coming to the end of the wood, and finally he realized that he had only been walking around the same part of the forest. All at once, he recalled his thoughts about the world and the rat trap. Now his own turn had come. He had let himself be fooled by a bait and had been caught. The whole forest, with its trunk and branches, its thickest and fallen log, closed in upon him like an impenetrable prison from which he could so never escape. So student, what was going on here? Let's read. That having money in his pocket, he was walking and feeling very happy with his smartness, because he thinks that कि okay, I fooled that man, मैंने रात को enjoy भी किया, I just took rest over there and then I next morning मैंने उसे फूल किया और उसके पैसे ले लिए. Naturally, he had the idea that he must avoid public highway and instead leave the road track and follow the woods. And अचानक उसे ये आइडिया आता है कि ओके, मेरे को रोड हाईवे से नहीं जाना था, इट माइट हैव पॉसिबल दैट समबडी कॉट मी. सो वो रोड के बजाय कहाँ से जाता है, फॉरेस्ट एरिया से वॉक करते आगे जाता है. ही डिड नॉट फेस एनी डिफ़िकल्टी फॉर द फर्स्ट 1 hour. जब स्टार्टिंग का 1 hour होता है तो उसे कोई डिफ़िकल्टी नहीं होती है. बट एज द डे प्रोग्रेस, द वेज इन विच वुड गॉट मोर कन्फ्यूजिंग एंड लेड नाउ वेयर बट टू द वुड्स. बट जैसे जैसे दिन निकलता जाता है उसके लिए बहुत कन्फ्यूजिंग होता जाता है कि ओके, मुझे आगे कहाँ जाना है. ही मेड इट अ पॉइंट दैट ही वुड फॉलो अ डेफिनेट डायरेक्शन, बट इट वॉज कन्फ्यूजिंग फॉर हिम. वो अपने लिए एक पाथ बनाता है कि ओके, मैं सिर्फ यहीं चलूँगा या यहीं जाऊँगा, बट एट लास्ट उसके लिए अब सब कुछ कन्फ्यूजिंग होता जाता है. एंड ही सो paths were strangely twisted back and Fourth, that he kept on walking on the same trail without reaching the end of the woods. And at last उसे क्या लगने लगता है कि वो एक ही पाथ पे चलता जा रहा है. At last he realized this was राउंडिंग द सेम पार्ट ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट. एंड उसे ऐसा लगता है कि वो फॉरेस्ट के एक ही पाथ पे चलता जा रहा है. सडनली ही रिमेंबर्ड हिज ओन थ्योरी अबाउट द वर्ल्ड, दैट इज इट इज़ अ रेड ट्रैप. एंड सडनली उसे अपनी खुद की थ्योरी के बारे में याद आता है. जब वो रोड पे ट्रजिंग कर रहा होता है, एट दैट टाइम उसने सोचा होता है दैट वर्ल्ड इज़ लाइक अ रेड ट्रैप, बिकॉज पीपल आर ट्रैपिंग फॉर वॉट, for clothes, money, and all those things, materialistic things. And now is his own turn where he traps in that. So now it was his turn, and he could not understand that had the money he stole a bait, and now he caught in that red trap, and the whole forest, including its trunks and branches, its thickest, and you can say that fallen logs were closing in upon him as if they were creating an unbreakable jail which had no door to escape it. So he was again, according to his own theory, he was in the same trap which he was talking about, or which he was thinking about earlier. Thank you, students. We'll continue the next pages of our chapter in our next video. Till then, stay safe and happy.